Hi friends, it's Mrs. Ross. We're going to do an experiment today with eggs. Have you ever looked at the inside of an egg? And I mean, have you looked really closely at the inside of an egg? Well, today we're going to do that. Now, I want you to know that these are not the type of eggs that a chick could hatch out of. Those eggs are fertilized eggs. These are the type of eggs that you might buy at a grocery store or that you might buy at a farm stand. They're the type of eggs that we just eat. So I wanted you to know that I did not crack open the eggs that we picked up from to put in the incubator. These are totally different eggs. With adult help and permission, I'm going to ask you to crack an egg into a bowl or onto a plate. You're going to look carefully at the egg and the shell and see if you can tell the different parts of the egg. You might see the outer part called the shell, the albumen, the yolk, something called a chalaza, an air pocket, an embryo, or membranes. I used a small spatula to move the yolk around very gently so I could see the little white part. It's like a little white line that comes off the yolk of the egg. That's the part called the chalaza. Look very carefully at the inside of the eggshell. You might be able to see the membrane. You might be able to see an air pocket. All right. It's time to start drawing what you've observed. You might not have noticed everything. You might not have seen an embryo and you might not have noticed the membrane, but draw what you saw and see if you can label some things too.